excited to be taking part in the Scooter Parts Co and Malossi Scooter Cannonball Run MalossiGAS program. The MalossiGAS program assists riders who are using Malossi manufactured parts while participating in scooter events all over the world. The GAS part of MalossiGAS stands for Great Adventure Series. As I rebuild my Vespa to take part in the 2021 Scooter Cannonball Run, I'll be installing a new Malossi top end, including cylinder, piston, and head, new Malossi suspension, front and rear, Malossi variator and delta clutch in the transmission, Malossi brake rotors and pads, as well as using Malossi fluids throughout the scooter. I'm looking forward to putting all of these Malossi parts to the ultimate test during the 2021 Scooter Cannonball Run.